What's up everyone, Debug.Log here, and I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded my last video, but there's no real excuse except for possibly... But no matter, I still plan to make a scary game about a hallway in a school, which I still hope one day Markiplier will play in 3 scary games, if I ever finish it. So I took a long, hard stare at my project. And I knew I had to change one thing: the scope. Scope is one of those things that I've always struggled with as a game developer. I always think it'd be cool to add this feature and that feature and this and that, and then the project becomes so bloated I never complete it. And I came to the realization that I am just one person. And after staring at this project for just a bit longer, I knew what I needed to do: make the game simpler. So I went to the drawing board.
So what is this game's main purpose?
I have the main theme. There's a pig laying on the ground with a summoning circle drawn around him. I have candles that need to be lit and placed in the corners around the pig. Once those are lit, the demon is released, the player dies at the end.
So what does the player need to do?
Explore the school to find the set candles, bring them back to the summoning circle, burn them, pray for a quick death at the end.
So what does the game need to do this?
We need to pick up items, carry them. We have a left hand and right hand. We pick up things, move them around, place them down, and light things on fire. That means we can remove the flashlight from the game. The flashlights suck. Give the player a lighter because they need to burn things. Guess what else lighters do? Makes lights so you can see. So boom goes the flashlight.
So that's pretty much it. I know that this video was short and sweet and to the point, but in essence, I'm refactoring the entire game. I'm just making things simpler to program and to manipulate for me as the developer. I've changed the scope to be much smaller, so I hope to get this game done in a very short amount of time. Most of the game mechanics are completed at this point. I just need to obviously make them look better, and also fix a couple things that have been broken because of it. Let me know down in the comments below if you prefer shorter videos like this one was, or if you like those longer form 10-minute videos that are really just time lapses of all of the footage. And would you guys rather have detailed explanations on how I did these things, or would you rather just see the end results? And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. And I'll see you guys again next time here on Debug.Log.